What's happening here, guys? This is the PapaCat, and these are two of his children, kittens. He's trying to play with his kittens, but he often forgets to be gentle. He doesn't realize that these ones are too tiny. Huh? Yes, Mama Kiss told you to be gentle. That's amazing for me, because it's the first time that I've seen a cat who is trying to play with his kittens. And he is worried. When one of them cries a lot, he usually comes near and rescue them. Yes. He is the father of all the kittens. Because he got pregnant, the two females. Yes. What are you doing? Your two kittens, Gresu. Hi, Gresu. Papa. Hi. A very loving and a passionate one. This is one of his four brothers. A very serious cat. That's Eve. Hi, Vertu. Your papa wants to play with you. There's PapaCat. Yes. There's Grace. You go to Papa. Both of you go to Papa. Go there to Papa. Be gentle. Do not push them that way. You go to Papa. Papa. Be gentle. Mama Kiss told you to be gentle. See, he's licking. No, do not push. Do not push them with your hind feet. Yes, behave. Be gentle. Can't you see they're so tiny? Don't you realize that one? Yes. Yes. Papa. No, Dad. Behave. Where are you going, little ones? They are starting to explore. They are making their territories expand.